Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting now. Dim lights, silence devices, and set a clear alarm for 20 to 30 minutes or a full 90-minute cycle. Make your body comfortable. Adjust mattress or chair so you feel supported but not sunk in. Once done, breathe slowly, inhale for 4, exhale for 6, to lower heart rate and cue relaxation. Make sure clothing is loose and the room slightly cool. Temperature helps quick sleep onset. Don't lie down drowsy with clutter in view. Clear it away first. You're moving into the middle. Use progressive muscle relaxation to release tension. Hold, then relax each group from toes up. Once muscles loosen, shift to diaphragmatic breathing. Let belly rise and fall so your nervous system downshifts. If thoughts intrude, label them and let them pass. Don't engage. Play a brief guided nap track at low volume or steady white noise to anchor sleep. Make sure the alarm is within reach, but out of sight so you don't re-engage immediately. You'll finish by waking gently. Let a soft melody or gradual light bring you up and sit slowly for 2 minutes to stabilize blood pressure. Once upright, drink water and move lightly, march or do shoulder rolls to clear residual sleep inertia. If you feel groggy, expose yourself to bright light for 10 minutes or take a brisk 5-minute walk. That often resets alertness. If you can't sleep, shorten future naps to 10-15 minutes or shift timing earlier in the day to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.